Good morning all of you. We are doing chapter number 4, pollination of class 4 science. We have started the chapter and completed some parts of it. Today we will start from page number 46, that is pollination. So what is pollination and how it occurs in plants, that we will discuss over here. Pollination: flowering plants reproduce by producing seeds. In order for seeds to be created, a process called pollination must occur. That means here pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same or a different flower. Pollination is required for the formation of foods and seeds. So whatever the fertilization is occur over there, and that is a reproduction process of a plant and flower. How does it reproduce? A plant reproduces by pollinations. Pollination is the process in which pollen grains from an anther are transferred to the stigma of the flower for pollination to be successful. The pollen grains transfer must be from a flower of the same species. Now we will discuss about types of pollinations. So there are two types of pollination. What is this? It is self-pollination and cross-pollination. So now we will discuss about self-pollination. What is self-pollination and how it occurs? Self-pollination, it is a type of pollination in which the pollens of a flower falls on the stigma of the same flower. This takes place in complete flower. This type of pollination is simple and quick. Some plants that shows self-pollination are peanut, peas, wheat, barley, etc. That means self-pollination is a pollination which occurs in same flower or same plant or another flower of the same plant. It is a pollination. And what are the plants which do self-pollination? They are peanut, peas, wheat and barley. Suppose the stigma of one flower has fall on the stamen, anther of another flower of the same plant. There the self-pollination occurs. Now we will move to cross-pollination. It is more complex type of pollination that involves the transfer of pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of a different flower. Now some examples of cross-pollinations are roses, apple, grapes, strawberries, etc. These are the plants where cross-pollination occur, and here we will discuss pollination occur between two flowers of different plants but the same species is called cross-pollinations. Here we are saying that here from one flower to another flower, this is self-pollination, and from one flower to another flower of different plants, here only one plant is there, here two different plants are present. So the pollination occurs from this plant to this plant or from this plant to this plant, but here pollination occurs from this flower to this flower. Okay, so this one is self-pollination and this is cross-pollination, and cross-pollination occurs between two plants. That is why it is more complex than the self-pollination. That is why self-pollination is simple pollination, and here the cross-pollination is a complex type of pollination. Now we will discuss about agents of pollinations. What are the agents of pollination? The pollen grains get transferred with the help of wind, water, bird, insects, etc. These are known as agents of pollination. So, who will transfer this pollen grains or the stigma or the stamens or the so these wind, water, insects, animals and bird help in carrying pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower. Therefore, they are called agents of pollination. See here, the bee, here the bee is working as a agent of pollination. No one else. Here the bee is working as a agent of pollination. Therefore, they are called agents of pollination. Now, we will discuss about the pollination by insects. When insects like bees and butterflies sit on flowers to collect nectar, some pollen grains get stuck to their wings and legs. As they move from flower to flower, they carry the deposit pollen from one flower to another flower. Here, look here, the bee is sitting on a flower and there the grains of the pollens stuck to its leg and wings, and when it fly from one flower to another flower, it flies from here to here. That is why this brings the grains from this flower to this flower where the pollination occurs. As they move from one flower to another flower, they carry the deposit pollens from one flower to another. Now, pollination by birds and animals. Some small animals and birds, for example, hummingbird. Here, see, it is a hummingbird. Get food and nectar respectively from flowers. They come in contact with the pollens and carry them on their bodies from flower to flower. That means when these birds take their nectar, when they try to get their nectar or food from the flower, they come in the contact of the pollens, that means the grains, and carry them on their body from one flower to another flower. That causes pollination. Pollination by wind. Field plants like maize, paddy, dandelion and are pollinated by the wind, which acts as a carrier of pollens. Have you seen this dandelions? It flies away from one flower, from one plant to another plant, and there it causes the pollination. Now, pollination by water. For aquatic plants like Hydrilla, the agents of pollination is often water. Have you seen the plants in water? That means pond, rivers. They also pollinate due to the moving water, where the moving water carries the pollen grains from one plant to another plant and it causes the pollinations in the plants. There the pollination occurs and the plants get pollinated by the water. So today we have read about pollination. What is pollination? What is self-pollination, cross-pollination and agents of pollination? There are different agents of pollination. Who are they? Birds, animal, insects, wind, water. They are the agents of pollination. So we have completed our chapter number 4, pollination. Next day we will start the keywords, nutshell, mind map, and after that I will give some exercises and worksheet to do. And last day I have given a worksheet which you have completed earlier, I think so, and submit it when it would be asked. Till then, thank you, goodbye.